Let's go for the order of Tyler, Douglas, then Bradley. Tyler, Douglas, Bradley looks good. I'll get you started at the tone. Three minutes 45 to go. Tyler, your leader right now. Less than a second ahead of Douglas. Douglas 2 seconds ahead of Bradley.
After 30 seconds, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
Fast lap right now goes to Tyler, 4:26. Bradley defending his lap right now. Douglas right on his tail.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
Two minutes 40 to go. Tyler's still your leader. That's Tyler 3 seconds ahead of Douglas. Douglas about a lap ahead of Bradley.
After 1 minute 30 seconds, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley. After 2 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
2 minutes down, 2 to go. Tyler, your leader, about a lap, almost a lap ahead of Douglas. Now he's a lap ahead. And Douglas about 2 laps ahead of Bradley.
After 2 minutes 31 seconds, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
Three minutes down, 1 minute to go. Tyler, your leader, about a lap ahead of Douglas, almost a lap. And Douglas about 3 ahead of Bradley. Douglas defending his lap fiercely
After
from
3
Tyler.
minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
Oh, wipeout. That's going to put Douglas over a lap behind Tyler now. And Douglas just about 2 laps ahead of Bradley.
After 3 minutes 32 seconds, the top drivers are Tyler, Douglas, and Bradley.
"15 seconds to go. It's looking like our order is going to be set here. Just going to keep going till it says you're done.
Douglas done. Tyler done. All drivers are finished.
All right.
Bradley done.
Great driving. The winner for Pro Truck was Tyler, 53 laps. Douglas, 51. Bradley, 49. Great driving, guys. Pretty close race, really. Everyone within 2 laps of each other. And that's going to conclude our racing for today.